And good morning, Wayfam, from Thivim train station in Goa.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell for more of our adventures.
Let's go. As you can see, we are walking through the rough cobble. We are catching a train back to Mumbai today because we are flying to Istanbul, Turkey. More of that in a later video, but today we're going to share with you the experience that it is to ride sleeper class on a train in India.
If you missed our other video, we took a really nice train to get here, so we'll link that up here for you guys to watch. It was amazing. But now we're going to see the other side of it.
The other side of things. This is the non-AC car, essentially second class.
Yeah. But it's like picking us up at 5 p.m. and we don't get in until 5 a.m. So it's going to be a little bit of a long night.
It's going to be a jaunt. We've already made friends, or rather, they've made friends with us.
Yeah.
And
a little Indian family.
They've already shared with us where we're going to go for our car. They know it all. They got it figured out. We don't have to do anything but show up.
We're just following.
This is basically VIP.
That was chaos there at the end. We weren't near our train, so everybody pretty much ran to try to find it before it ran off.
It's kind of random, it seems, where it pulls up.
Oh my gosh. See what our digs look like.
Okay, so there is actually AC, which is nice. But this is the space right here. It's basically a seat. And we got bunks up above. And we're gonna settle in for the night. Alright, so it's time to compare, first class biryani with second class biryani. So, let's check it out. If you remember the last video here, then you'll know we had biryani there. It looks exactly the same, which means it's going to be good. So I got the veg this time, no chicken, and it's got cauliflower in it. Very spicy, just the way it should be. Yeah, it's really good.
Awesome part on the train is that they come around and ask what you want.
That's true. So this is technically catered as well. The guy came and asked what we wanted, ordered some biryani, brought it to us 30 minutes later. So, really. Why even go first class?
Okay, I showed you a first class bathroom. Now I'm going to show you the second class bathroom. So you have two options, the Western style or the Indian style. They probably think I'm so crazy filming when I'm coming in here. So this is a Western style. It has a Western toilet right here. It goes literally down onto the tracks. Like your toilet paper and your poo and your pee go down on the train tracks.
you have a bunk.
So then when we got in here, they gave us sheets and a blanket. And I think there's a pillow up there too, so I'll have to just...
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Oh yeah, thanks. Okay.
It's nice because they give you nice fresh sheets and you can make your own bed so that you know everything's good and clean. And you also have a top cover and a pillow.
Alright, time for bed. See you in the morning.
Alright, it's the next morning. I slept pretty well. Ash, how did you sleep?
Not great.
Not great?
No, I was so freezing.
Oh yeah, so the AC, we couldn't figure out how to turn it off. I turned the fan off at one point, but...
Yeah, that helped.
Yeah.
And then I had diarrhea in the middle of the night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I had to sit on the toilet.
That had nothing to do with the train itself, but...
No.
I'm a little haggard. I mean, you know, you're in a train of a bunch of people and you don't have a ton of privacy, so it's a little hard to sleep. But it wasn't bad.
Actually, it was way better than I expected.
The bed was quite comfortable, to be honest.
And the sheets and blanket were definitely clean. Like, they smelled clean and everything.
Yeah, everything was good. I actually liked it. And, of course, all of our friends in the cabin with us, everyone was
They
nice.
took care of us. It was so nice.
Yeah, we all hung out and chatted a bunch. It was really fun.
Yeah. It was a good experience, actually.
I would recommend it for sure.
Alright, get my shoe on.
You got this. Gentleman from our train has found us while we were wandering around looking for an auto, and he's like, you can go up to the different train tracks over here and catch a train even closer to the airport. So we're gonna do that. Go to the airport? Yeah. All right, we have made it to the airport. We're parked up at Starbucks, but actually there seemed to be a little bit of action going on there on the sidelines.
Very unfortunate. I all night was actually fighting throwing up, and then I just couldn't hold it anymore. And we were on a train, so I held it, and then when we got off, I just had to throw up. I tried to find a trash can, but I just couldn't.
Seems like India left you with a tiny bit of a parting gift.
Yeah, that is unfortunate. It did not just come out of one end, but the other end too. So we have come to this lovely Starbucks where I can use the toilet, and I should probably brush my teeth, but yeah, still feel really crappy. Sad about that because it's a long day.
So that wraps up our India adventure. It was as adventurous as I thought it would be. I was a little disappointed because we've been here before and we wanted to come back and see how much things have changed, and it hadn't really changed a whole lot. Sad to say that we wanted it to be so much better, but it wasn't as good as we had expected or hoped, I guess.
Travel isn't always perfect, and it's not necessarily a reflection of the people, because we love the people and we've been taken care of so well by the Indian people.
Yeah.
But it's just circumstances, I think.
Yeah.
And India, just how India is.
Yeah, yeah.
And our preference, I think.
Well, I prefer that there's not trash and poop everywhere, for one thing. That's my minimum level of, like, that's gross. So if there was less trash and poop in India, I would love it, and I mean that sincerely. Because the people are amazing, and the culture is so vibrant and wonderful. So, yeah. Anyways, that was our overnight train adventure and our wrap-up of India. We're at the airport. We're headed now to Istanbul, and we're going to start that video shortly after Ashley brushes her teeth. All right, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.